Welcome to Just Asia, AHRC TV's weekly human rights program. Welcome to AHRC TV Just Asia. I'm Alexandra. This week, Just Asia begins with India's northeastern state of Tripura, where police opened fire without any warning against protesters on January 8th, critically injuring several youth. Mr. Samit Debarma was hit by 2 bullets passing through his lungs, while Mr. Lalit Debarma was hit by 2 bullets in his chest. Both are now in a critical situation. Another youth, Mr. Shakal Debarma, was hit by a bullet on his hips, and the bullet is still stuck inside his body. 2 others were hit by bullets which passed through their legs. All 5 of them are under observation in hospital. The 5 young men were taking part in the region-wide shutdown to protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. The bill is seen as highly inimical to the indigenous peoples of the Northeast region. The 5 injured youth had come out on the street together with others and were assembling peacefully at the Madabari area. There were a large number of police personnel deployed there. Suddenly, several police vans arrived and started firing discriminately at the protesters without any warning. No water cannons, batons, or loudspeakers were used to warn the protesters. Instead, the police fired upon the civilians soon after alighting from the vans. Additionally, the police did nothing to stop miscreants from attacking the vehicles taking the injured youth to hospital. Another 5 protesters were injured in the attack. A journalist recording the incident was detained, and the police erased the footage from his phone. Since that evening, the internet service and SMS were shut down within the state.